Hello guys, today we are going to show you the scrum positioning in rugby. Are you ready? To begin, do you know what is a scrum? A scrum is a method to restart playing in rugby that involves players packing closely together with their heads down and attempting to gain possession of the ball. Scrum occur more often in rugby match and are now of greatest importance. To win a scrum, the positioning is the main factor, but you must also have strength, power and flexibility. The scrum are the foundation of rugby since their creation, but few people know how to do a scrum and the positioning you must have if you don't want to get injured.
But Antoine, how you do a scrum? Show me!
Oh god, it's very bad. In fact, he does the classical mistakes. He has his round back and his feet are not on the same line. His hip has more height than the shoulder and his arm are not at 90 degrees. It's very dangerous in this position. Then show me how you push on jog. In this position, you shouldn't go down too early as the tension in your knees, and you must contract your abs during all scrum if you want to have power and strength and if you want to beat your opponent. In this position, like Antoine is showing, is very dangerous and your neck and your back are in danger, and this kind of injury can follow you for the rest of your life. It's okay, Antoine.
Thank you, Anthony. But show me the real positioning. Yes, that's good. First, you should have your arms locked in 90 degrees shape from your shoulder and your neck is tense up, so arms and shoulder do not move easily. In a second time, in your lower back, you have to thrust your hips backwards, so that's good. Then in your upper back, you have to squeeze your shoulder blades together as tight as possible, and finally you must be on the ball of your feet, your toes acting like they are gripping sand. So Anthony, you have the perfect position, you are perfect. But do you have some exercise to help me to correct my positioning?
Yes, Antoine, I know many exercises to correct your scrum position. To begin, the exercise consists to work your muscle extensor and to work your mobility and your flexibility. For that, you can realize squat or deadlift at gym club to work your muscle extensor and to have a strong back and to work your abs. It's very important. Then you can take elastics, take it Antoine, and pull it out. In this position, it's very adapt for all beginners because there is sufficient weight on their back and it's very safe. In this position, I can move everywhere to work scrum positioning at left and at right. I can go in the front. I can go everywhere. It's very adapt for beginner and it permits to work your legs and to work your abs for scrum positioning. Then the last exercise is for the muscle of neck. You can realize this or this, and in this exercise you work your neck, and neck is very important to scrum. It permits to you to have strength and power, and it permits to beat your opponent during a game. It's very important, and if you don't work the neck, you can have more risk of injuries. Then we think you are ready to practice scrums, and don't forget, take pleasure.